In this video, we're gonna show you how to delete pages on Barclays Banking app. First, go to Google Chrome and search Barclays. You can see the first link and click here. First, go to page and you can select Pay and Transfer in the main menu. Go to Manage and Track and click on the Manage Pay list link, and then after finding the page on the list you can just cancel it by clicking on the relevant link of that page. For the second method and the one comment, you can go to their customer services page on the website, and from there here you just have to contact them. You can also use the contact here you just have to contact them. You can also use the contact test option at the top. If you don't want to call any of these numbers to get into contact with Barclays, the reason why I am showing you, that's how you can delete page on Barclays Banking app.